ASNT-IR Level 3 Refresher Course Online URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International. Are you an experienced infrared and thermal testing professional preparing to renew or revalidate your ASNT-IR Level 3 certification? Our ASNT-IR Level 3 Refresher course is designed to refresh your technical knowledge, strengthen Level 3 responsibilities, and enhance your examination readiness through structured and practical online learning. Let us explore how this course can help you maintain competence and advance your professional career. Why infrared and thermal testing is important. Infrared and thermal testing is a powerful non-destructive testing method used for detecting temperature variations, heat flow anomalies, and component defects without physical contact. Thermography plays an important role in electrical systems, mechanical equipment, oil and gas facilities, power plants, process industries, predictive maintenance programs, asset integrity management, energy audits. Reliable thermal inspection contributes to improved safety, equipment reliability, and reduced downtime. Now course overview. This refresher course is designed for experienced level 2 and level 3 professionals and focuses on principles and theory, heat transfer mechanisms, temperature measurement principles, thermal imaging systems, non-contact parameters, heat flux indicators, interpretation and evaluation, safety and health requirements, level 3 responsibilities. Now principles and theory. Participants review nature of heat and heat flow, conduction, convection, radiation, temperature measurement principles, selection of infrared testing methods. Understanding these fundamentals helps inspectors correctly apply thermal inspection techniques and improve reliability. Equipment and materials. This model covers thermal imaging cameras, heat flux indicators, temperature measurement devices, performance parameters, non-contact devices, equipment limitations. Participants understand factors affecting accuracy and measurement reliability. Inspection techniques. Topics include contact temperature indicators, non-contact parameters, infrared line scanners, thermal imaging systems, heat flow investigations, friction investigations, fluid flow investigations, thermal resistance studies, thermal capacitance investigations, exothermic and endothermic applications. These techniques enable professionals to perform effective thermal inspections in various industries. Now, interpretation and evaluation. Participants learn thermal image interpretation, temperature pattern analysis, anomaly evaluation, heat flow characteristics, component condition assessment, evaluation procedures. Accurate interpretation supports informed maintenance and integrated decisions. Safety and health requirements. Safety remains an essential responsibility of level 3 personnel. Topics include safety responsibilities and authority, personal safety, facility safety, client safety, safe operation of testing equipment, hazard prevention. Following proper safety practices ensures reliable and responsible inspection activities. Study references. Important references include ASNT Level 3 Study Guide, Thermal/Infrared Testing 2nd edition, NDT Handbook Volume 4, Thermal and Infrared Testing 4th edition, ASNT Questions and Answer Book, Thermal and Infrared Testing. These references provide valuable support for examination preparation and technical revision. Now, who should attend? This course is ideal for ASNT-IR Level 3 candidates, NDT engineers and technicians, QA/QC professionals, mechanical and production engineers, metallurgists, asset integrity engineers, RVI inspectors, managers and supervisors. Now, course schedule. Course dates 2nd July to 28th July 2026. Every month on same dates throughout the year. Duration 40 hours. Mode online through Zoom or MS Team. Class timing is 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST. Daily 3 hours class. Flexible evening sessions enable professionals worldwide to participate conveniently. So, working professionals can join our evening classes after their working hours. That's why we kept evening classes. Every month we conduct evening classes on the same training dates, 2nd to 28th throughout the year. Now, why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are committed to providing world-class technical training and professional development. Our strengths include experienced faculty, practical and exam-focused learning, interactive online sessions, industry-oriented approach, technical support and guidance, enhanced confidence and competence. At last conclusion, if you are preparing for ASHANTI-IR Level 3 renewal or revalidation of preparatory classes for ASHANTI Level 3 certification, this refresher course provides focused learning to strengthen your expertise and examination confidence. Enroll today with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please contact us through WhatsApp. Strengthen your knowledge, enhance your confidence, advance your career. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more NDT training, engineering solutions from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you.